You know what? Last 4 minutes, because I'm always on time, I've just been talking to myself and I forgot to click on the go live button. And I was thinking I was just talking to y'all, but here I was talking to myself and I was wondering what's happening. And then I realized, oh my God, I've not even clicked that button. So I was waiting for a few people to join me, and they'll come in due time. So Uddhav Thackeray says that @wonder, I don't know what that @wonder means, but Gopa Bandhu, unless and until your video and your audio is on, I am not going to accept you. So he says he's going to put me in Taloja jail and beat me up badly. And he says that I am very beautiful. Okay, thank you, Priya. Hi, Bhakti. Hi, Ritu. And YouTube Youth says that वो सब बोलने वाला चोर है. And then there is this Kim Jong Un. I don't even know what that name means. वो सच है गलत है. Trollers है, काम धंधा है नहीं इनको. फालतू टाइम पास करने आ जाते हैं. Only for you, Guinea, I will give visa to visit my country and I will make you my assistant in North Korea. Not interested. Shove that visa up your ass. Pankaj, if you're going to put on your video, maybe I can accept you, otherwise not. So unless and until your video and audio is on, I cannot add you to the stream. Good. Hi. Hello, Pankaj.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. इतने सारे comments मैंने पढ़े नहीं. Just 1 second. पता चल जाएगा. आने वाला है. हाँ, भक्ति यूटी आ गया फिर से. Block them. जब जरूरत पड़ेगी. Hi Gerard, how are you? Sherry, hi. Prabha, hi. So Gerard, stay here. Let's talk to you also in some time. Yes, Pankaj, tell me. You muted yourself? Yeah. What did you do, Pankaj? I chala gaya. I think he went by mistake. Hello, Pankaj. Hi, Kshetra. Hi, Swathi. Somita. DJ. Gurinder. Hi. कर दूंगी जब जरूरत पड़ी तो ब्लॉक भी कर दूंगी. Mansi, hi Aditya. Hi Parth, you want to join? Hi Mona. Anybody wants to join? Oh, I forgot to send the link. Wait, I'll put the link here. Minnie the cat. That's a nice name. Diva's Fun Zone. Hi. Thank you so much, Diva. So, आज मैं बहुत दिनों बाद यहाँ कुर्सी पे बैठी हूँ. भले वो तकिया लगा के बैठी हूँ. But I came for the rant. Gerard, okay. You want to join? Come join me. Let's talk. Arey bhaiya, why do you all ask me this question? Okay, Vibhor is going to come in sometime. Usi se pooch lena. AU is linked to production houses and also has links to UK. I am tired of digging this hell, Bollywood. They have deleted and destroyed everything. They have deleted and destroyed everything. What have they deleted, Pramila? Would you like to come live and talk about it? Health is getting better. That is the reason I'm able to sit on this chair, although, yes, Swati. And he said he is. So that is the reason I have to keep getting up after a few minutes. Ojha and Dr. Vipul, I would like you all please to put on your video so I can add you. They are tracking you. They are tracking you. Okay. Vipul, I am not going to add you till your video is on. So a lot of people are sending me requests, but they refuse to put on their video. That's really weird. If you want to be on YouTube live and you don't want to put on your video, why should I add you? Binny. Hi, Binny. Can you please put on your video? Hi, Dr. Vipul. Hello. You're muted. Wait. Okay, I'll unmute you. All right. You're muted. I cannot hear you, and I am unable to. Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Where are
Yes.
you?
I
Yes.
am fine.
आप कहाँ से हो?
I am Lucknow, from Lucknow.
लखनऊ. Okay.
UP.
All right.
Yeah.
पहली बार आए हो आप मेरे चैनल पे आए हो?
आपके चैनल पहली बार आए हैं.
पार्थ. No, I will not change my positions. कहिए क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप?
आपका क्या सवाल है?
सवाल? मेरा तो कोई सवाल नहीं है. मैं तो यहाँ लोगों के सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए बैठी हूँ.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं कुछ पूछ रही थी सवाल, तो मैंने कहा आपसे बात कर लें.
जरूर कीजिए बात. किस बारे में बात करना चाहेंगे? आप डॉक्टर हैं तो आप किस चीज के डॉक्टर हैं? पहले तो ये बताइए.
मैं मेडिकल ऑफिसर रहा हूँ, रिटायर हो गया.
मेडिकल ऑफिसर?
या गवर्नमेंट सर्विस
लखनऊ
में.
गवर्नमेंट. अच्छा. तो आपने डॉक्टरी की है या डॉक्टरी पढ़ाई है?
मैंने डॉक्टरी की है एज ए फिजिशियन.
Okay. All right. That's nice. Okay. So, virtual hug. Thank you, Prerak. He'll come. He'll come. Jai Shri Krishna. और बताइए आप. You don't look that old, sir. Swati is saying. Okay, Sherry, Binny, if you all want to. Okay, he's gone. Doctor is very shy to talk with her. Hi, Sherry.
Hi. I was
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Well,
I'm in Hong Kong. I live here.
okay. Okay.
So I was listening to your numerological talks, and you came up to number 3. My birthday is on the 15th of March, 1969.
Okay.
So I was wondering what my number was.
So just about 4 or 5 days back, I put up a video explaining how to know what is your number. I think you should see that video.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yes. You
So
said it's a combination of numbers, but
I said that a lot of people have a lot of numbers. So everybody, you, me, anybody, we have a lot of numbers. Nobody has just one number. Nobody is the product of any one number, because there are 9 planets in the sky. Actually, there are 12. So those 9 planets, along with Pluto, Uranus, and Neptune, and along with that, there is, Rahu, Ketu. So in all, every single person, all of us are the product of all these planets. And all these planets are connected to all the numbers. So everybody is a product in some way or the other of every number. Now somebody can have the physical qualities of one number, emotional qualities of one number, mental qualities of one number. It depends. Like you take a little bit from everywhere. Your entire date of birth, each and every single number makes you the person you are. So even what did you say your birthday is?
15th of March.
So 15th of March meaning, so 15th of March means you are a product of 1, 5, 6, 3, and the year numbers and the total and your name. So your name is Sherry. So each and every alphabet.
That's my pet name.
Yes, but the pet name is being used, right? People are calling you that and you are calling yourself that. So even your pet name is important. Yes, Yamuna, he told me he is coming. Thank you, Ganpati. So, hi, Gunjan. I don't know, when he comes, we'll ask him. So that's what I had said in my video, that everybody is a product of a lot of numbers. Now, what those lot of numbers are, there are some numbers which are completely missing from your chart. But even the missing numbers has a message for you.
Okay.
So it is very important to see all the numbers and decide for yourself, unless you take a reading and, you know, I explain the whole thing. But that would be like, I cannot be doing, you know, teaching you numerology while doing a reading. If there are questions, I can probably take that up. But every person has a lot of numbers in their chart, and including the missing numbers have their own story to tell. So it's very important to see all the numbers.
I resonate most with number 6.
That's because you're born on 15th.
Yes, yes.
But a 6 is different from 15, 24, 42, 51, 33. There are different 6s.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not just 6.
Okay.
Makes a big difference. A 15-6 is very different from a 33-6 or a 24-6. Okay.
So when will you come up with those differences?
I'll come step by step, step by step.
Okay.
So I'm going to be, earlier I was thinking of doing the 6 number, that is day after tomorrow.
But then you're going to do 5 instead.
5. Yeah, because I realized that 3 and 5 are more similar than 3 and 6.
Yes.
So I thought, okay, let me do 3 and 5. And then after that, maybe I'll do 6 and 9 and 4 and 8, that way. So,
according to a traditional astrology, numerology, my birth date, 1 and 5 is a 6, but then the sum total of the whole birth
one
date
sec,
is
Sherry.
7.
Dr. Vipul, आपका video off है, आपका audio off है. Can you please put it on? Are you there, Dr. Vipul? Okay, he's not there. Okay, carry on, Sherry.
So it's 1 and 5, which is a 6, and then the sum total of the entire birth date should come up to a 7.
I'm sorry, I was not paying attention. So whatever the sum of the birth date is, I am not doing personal readings here or explaining all of that. So it would not be fair on the others, because, you know, I'd have to do it for everyone then, and I'd be sitting here all night doing only that.
Okay, then should I just say bye?
No, you can continue talking. You're here to talk. We can talk about whatever it is that you want. So you're in Hong Kong.
Yes.
Would you like to tell us what you do?
I was teaching, but now with the coronavirus situation, those jobs are dwindling. So I'm just waiting for the virus situation to end, and then I will probably relocate back to Mumbai.
Oh, why would you like to relocate? You can always, you know, take up another job. One sec. Suchata Dhuri, can you please put on your video? So I can, Suchata, please put on your video, or I'll have to remove you from the stream. Good. Hi. Was that a picture of your daughter of you? I can't hear you. You're muted. Unmute yourself.
It's old one. 10 years back.
Oh, wow. You've been on YouTube since then?
Yeah.
I haven't.
How come this is live show, live talking? Huh? I thought it is a as usual YouTube video or something like that. This is first time I'm.
It's all right.
Amazing, amazing.
Right.
But so, how many are there? How many are there? Only 3 of us?
As many can join. So there is Dr. Vipul Shukla. He is still here in the backstage, but he is not put on his Dawood Ibrahim. अरे वाह, दाऊद इब्राहिम अपनी शक्ल दिखाओ वीडियो के ऊपर, तभी ज्वाइन करूंगी. ये मेरा इलाका है बॉस. भाग गया. आया बड़ा दाऊद इब्राहिम. चल रे. कौन
So
कौन आ रहा है?
how much time
कभी
it will
उद्धव.
take to how much time it will take to start the session?
Session? What session? Session has already started. We are all chatting here, chit chatting.
But what is your number?
My number.
Yeah. Your birthday.
You're asking me or you're asking her?
Yeah, I'm asking you, Ginny.
Okay, one sec. BT, can you please put on your video? Then I can add you to the stream. Purnima, same thing for everyone. Unless and until your video is on, audio is on, I am not adding you all to the screen. There is a button there. If you click that, your video and your audio will be on. My number, I have a lot of numbers. I have all the numbers from 1 to 11.
Oh.
Everybody has a lot of numbers. In fact, there is no number missing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 33, 44, 77, all of these numbers
Okay.
in my chart. So I have a little bit of every number in me. That is the reason I said see all videos, because you never know what all numbers you may have in your chart, and everybody has this little bit of little bit of that number, whatever there is in your date of birth or name. Hi Preeti.
Hello,
Arey,
ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm better. Believe moments that matter. Sherry can probably take a personalized reading, Ginny. Okay. So, okay. BT, your video is off. Can you please put on your video? Bhavya. Okay. Hi, Preeti. So tell me, what would you like to talk about?
Ma'am, just wanted to know about this year. Finally,
This year?
2020 has gone. Now 2021,
So
a number of 5.
First, you tell me, where are you? Where do you stay? Because you're wearing such a thick sweater. बाप रे, वो sweater देख के मुझे गर्मी लग रही है.
Sonipat, Haryana.
North में. There was
Yes.
recently a earthquake in the north, right? Delhi and all.
Yeah.
Thank
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Joe. So, did it affect you all?
No, ma'am. Not.
वहाँ पर नहीं आया सोनीपत में.
नहीं.
You know, when I had come to Sonipat, I think I had come to Sonipat when I was like, what, 6 or 7 years old.
Oh.
So one of my dad's friend was getting married, and we had all come for his marriage to Sonipat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can come and visit our place also.
Hi, Samita. Why is BT not putting on their video? So if you don't want to put on your video, then I'll have to remove you from the back studio also. Okay, I guess. Right. Hi, Samita. Acha, so one sec. Let me just finish with Preeti. Yes, Preeti. क्या कह रहे हैं?
मैम मैं ये बोल रही थी कि आप दोबारा सोनीपत आ सकते हैं हमारे यहाँ.
प्रीति जी एक सेकंड मैम. गिनी मैम. हाँ
Yes.
I have to put my mask back because I'm outside. So hope you guys are okay with that.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
all
you.
right.
Sorry.
So where are you with all that fur around you? It seems like it's very cold there. You're muted. You've muted yourself.
Ma'am, you have done reading for my son, if you remember.
Maybe I don't remember.
I'm from UK.
हाँ, 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 हाँ. I remember.
Sorry,
Yeah.
it's very cold
How
out
is
here.
how's your
And
son?
he's
Whatever.
okay.
And how about the reading? Do you resonate with it? Hi,
Ma'am,
Maithili.
Ma'am, the position for the bed, it really worked out well, which you suggested. Very kudos to you. That's why I just came on live, and we are still in
Thank you.
lockdown, and we have to
Thank
put
you.
our mask back. So I'm going to put my mask back. Okay, guys, I'm sorry.
Sure. Yes, Preeti, continue. Sorry.
Yeah. Ma'am, I just wanted to say that you can visit Sonipat now also.
हाँ, वो तो अगर मैं कभी आई तो पहले तो दिल्ली तो पहुंचू, बॉम्बे से बाहर निकलना नहीं हो रहा मेरा। जब भी यहाँ से
हाँ।
कहीं निकलने की और जाने की बात करती हूँ तो ये अभी जनवरी में आई वाज प्लानिंग टू कम टू दिल्ली एंड फ्रैक्चर हो गया। तो 1 महीने से डेढ़ महीना होने लगा घर बैठी हूँ। खाना खा लिया? लेट आएगा? ओके, बाय। हैव फन।
मैम,
सॉरी।
फ्रैक्चर के लिए आप एक होम्योपैथिक दवाई बताती हूँ, वो लीजिए, बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाएंगे।
नहीं, मुझे किसी ने आयुष शक्ति की कुछ टैबलेट्स भेजी थी। वन ऑफ द फॉलोअर्स, वन ऑफ देम हु फॉलोज माय यूट्यूब एंड एवरीथिंग,
ओके।
एंड इट हैज रियली वर्कड वेरी वेल थैंक्स टू हर। और
एक सिम्फाइटम करके दवाई होती है होम्योपैथी में।
कौन सी?
सिम्फाइटम
सिम्फाइटम।
होम्योपैथी
हाँ,
में बहुत जल्दी वर्क करती है, हीलिंग
अच्छा
फ्रैक्चर के लिए। हाँ जी,
अच्छा। तो
तो
आप
वो लेके
बताइए, आप
देखिए।
क्या करती हैं प्रीति?
मैम, मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ बिजनेस संभालती हूँ।
कौन सा
साथ
बिजनेस?
में रेकी हीलिंग करी है, थोड़ा बहुत न्यूमरोलॉजी करी है। अभी लॉकडाउन में ही सीखा है सब कुछ, थोड़ा 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 थोड़ा।
वेरी गुड। आ गया। हाय विभोर, तेरे हाथ
और
पे
आपकी सारे वीडियोस फॉलो करती हूँ।
ओके, थैंक यू। तेरा हाथ पे अभी भी पट्टी बंधी हुई है?
हाँ, and you look beautiful.
थैंक यू। हाँ, वो मुझे सबसे पहला ये कमेंट उद्धव ठाकरे ने ही दिया। यहाँ पे
अरे
मैसेज है।
यस।
मैं ना लाइव आने से पहले लाइव चैट पढ़ रहा था and I was laughing, मगर ये क्या हो रहा है? So how are you all, and especially Guinea, how are you? Long time, yes, no see.
आई एम स्टिल रिकवरिंग। अभी और हफ्ता 10 दिन लगेंगे मुझे ठीक होने में। और हाय सुनेत्रा, सुनेत्रा इज सेइंग ये विभोर आ गया। तो इसका तो हमेशा वो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम ही रहती है, फिर गया ये आता जाता रहेगा। सो प्रीति, आप मुझे बता रहे थे कि आप अपने हस्बैंड के साथ बिजनेस करते हो और आपने हॉलिडेज में रेकी और न्यूमरोलॉजी सीखी।
या
ओके। मेरी
सॉरी वो मेरा
नेटवर्क,
सॉरी मेरा हाँ नेटवर्क इशू,
वो तो
सेम ओल्ड
रोज का है,
प्रॉब्लम।
हमेशा की है। So next week mostly I'm going to come online with a Reiki healer, a friend of mine. She is magic. मतलब वो किसी के लिए रेकी करे और वो इंसान ठीक ना हो या उसकी प्रॉब्लम ठीक ना हो, ऐसा होता ही नहीं है। So I will be coming with the Reiki healer online. Vibhor, there is a message for you in the chats. Vidhi says that she loves you. Lakshmi is also saying hello. फोन पे होगा तो देखो दिख नहीं रहा होगा, मैं पढ़ के बता देती हूँ। Minnie the cat says, "Wow, is that really Vibhor? Let's talk to only we." So Vibhor, they are waiting to talk to you. यार विभोर से बातें करनी है तो विभोर के चैनल पे करो। Mumbai is going to go lockdown. Is it true? That's true. What about SSRK? So हाँ, मैंने भी सुना है कि बॉम्बे में कोविड केसेस बढ़ने की वजह से they are planning to have another lockdown, but that is stupidity because you, that fellow who was planning to put me in jail up there and saying कि he is going to beat me up, you understand कि आज तुम बोल रहे हो ट्रेन्स स्टार्ट कर दी तो उसकी वजह से बढ़ गया है कोविड। जब आपने वो क्लब्स और बार स्टार्ट किए थे जहां पे खड़े रहने की जगह नहीं और लोगों के पैर पे पैर चढ़ रहे हैं और इतनी भीड़ है, तब कोविड नहीं बढ़ा था। तब आपको कोविड की चिंता नहीं थी। आज ट्रेन शुरू कर दी तो लॉकडाउन करना है, क्या बहाने मारते हैं यार। कोविड तो तब भी था और अब भी है। यस सुमित्रा,
मैम मुझे हाँ I've done। मुझे एक चीज ही पूछना था कि जहाँ पर you know where सुशांत was cremated, विला पार्ले और समथिंग, आपने उसका रोड देखा कितना ओवरक्राउडेड था? लॉकडाउन में ऐसा होता है बॉम्बे का रोड, इतना ओवरक्राउडेड, पब्लिक बसेस ये वो। अरे बाबा लॉकडाउन तो फिर क्या लॉकडाउन है मुझे अभी तक समझ में नहीं आया इंडिया का लॉकडाउन एक्चुअली। Okay, I finished. I will go mute
okay,
again.
No, that's okay. Vibhor, I'm just going to call Vijay because वो आया नहीं अभी तक, उसको मैंने फोन किया था। You carry on talking to people, they are wanting to talk to you, please.
I'm all yours tonight। जो पूछना पूछ लो यार, बहुत दिनों से आप लोगों से बात नहीं
बहुत सारी बातें। Okay, somebody is trying to join. Hello, Vijay, तुम आए नहीं ऑनलाइन? हाय, मेरा तो शुरू हो गया 9 बजे, विभोर भी आ गया। हाँ ओके, भेज दी। ओके, I need to remove a couple of you, नहीं तो विजय will not be able to join. So Sherry, I'll remove you. Thank you. Bye. प्रीति, आपने कुछ पूछना है? सौमिता, can I remove you please? Okay. Bye. Okay.
Ma'am, just wanted to know for this year only.
This year, so before ये कहाँ चला गया? अच्छा, so this year के बारे में
मैंने कहा जाना है?
नहीं, वो बीच में निकल गया था शायद। तो सौमिता, can I remove you please? Yeah, okay. So depressed बुड्ढा कौन है ये depressed बुड्ढा? कौन है भाई?
महेश भट्ट।
कितना डिप्रेस्ड है, तेरी रिया भाग गई क्या? हट भाई, अपनी शक्ल दिखानी है तो दिखा, नहीं तो मैंने लात मार देनी है तेको। गया खुद ही। Hi Mamalina, Asha Bora, hello. Okay, so you are asking me about this year. So इस year के ऊपर I have made video in Hindi and in English। मेरे YouTube चैनल पे आप जाके 2021 का न्यूमरोलॉजी और टैरो ये सब अलग अलग वीडियोस देख लो। मुझे थोड़ा खड़ा होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरा दर्द शुरू हो गया। सो ये थोड़े से वीडियोस आप देख लो, वहां पे आपको पूरा डिटेल्ड मिलेगा। बाकी शॉर्ट में अगर मैं बताऊं तो 2020 जो था वो ट्रेलर था, और इस साल आप जितना पैसा बचा सकते हो बचाओ, जितना धन धान्य आप मतलब सेव कर सकते हो, क्योंकि खाना पीना, खाने पीने की चीजें शायद महंगी हो जाए या अकाल पड़ जाए या कुछ ऐसा। विनय जोशी, बीटी, योर वीडियोस आर नॉट ऑन। सो दूसरा, बीमारी जो है वो आएगी लौट के। अगर कोई, और पहले तो एक स्वाइन फ्लू का प्रॉब्लम आ गया, उसके अलावा अगर कोई और बीमारी नहीं आई तो ये कोविड दोबारा आएगा। लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से कोई और प्रॉब्लम आएगी। हो सकता है कि पानी के जरिए या खाने के जरिए कोई वायरस आए, जो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा और बहुत लोग मरेंगे। मतलब अभी तो फरवरी में जो भूचाल उचाल आए हैं, मार्च अप्रैल मई में तो अभी बहुत लोगों ने मरना बाकी है। ये तो ट्रेलर था।
फेब में अभी में कई सारे अर्थक्वेक आ चुके हैं, 2-3
फरवरी ट्रेलर था। असली पिक्चर मार्च से शुरू होगी। मार्च अप्रैल में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, उसके बाद सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर। यस विभोर।
ओके,
लेट मी मेक वन थिंग वेरी क्लियर। मतलब कि जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है फिर बता देता हूँ, ये जो न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर की हम बातें सुनते हैं, दैट इज ऑल वेरी रियल। कोविड वॉज प्लान्ड। जैसे कि मैंने परसों एक ट्वीट भी किया था दैट नरेंद्र मोदी डिड अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब व्हेन ही स्टूड अप अगेंस्ट द केबल। मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा। आप लोगों को याद होगा कि लॉकडाउन के अंदर मार्च अप्रैल के अंदर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सारे देश की जनता को थालियां पीटने को कहा था।
हाँ जी।
उससे कोई कोविड वोविड भागना नहीं था। और पूरा देश ही नहीं, पूरी दुनिया ने थालियां पीटी थी जहां जहां इंडियंस थे या इंडियन सपोर्टर्स थे।
हाँ जी।
वो एक स्टेटमेंट था उन लीडर्स को जो न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर चाह रहे थे कि मेरे रहते तो तुम ये कर नहीं पाओगे, क्योंकि मेरे पीछे 100 करोड़ लोगों की भीड़ जमा है और उन 100 करोड़ लोगों का कस्टोडियन होने के नाते मैं तो उन्हें मरने नहीं दूंगा। तो एक स्टेटमेंट था उनकी तरफ से, जो लोग समझ सकते हैं समझ गए होंगे। थालियां पीटने से, एयरपोर्ट का शो करने से, या फिर आपका दिया जलाने से, लाइट जलाने से, पटाखे फोड़ने से कोविड नहीं जाने वाला था।
एक मिनट, एक चीज और है विभोर, जहां तक मुझे पता है मोदी जी एस्ट्रोलॉजी को बहुत गहराई से मानते हैं और कोई भी काम बिना उसके नहीं करते। उस दिन जिस दिन थाली पीटने को बोला या दिया जलाने को बोला, उस दिन जो नक्षत्र था, जो मुहूर्त था, उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने ये करने को बोला क्योंकि वो शुभ था। उसके लिए, वो भगाने के लिए या कुछ भी, देश के लिए किसी भी हालत में वो एक शुभ चीज थी। थैंक यू मट्टू। सो इसलिए उन्होंने ये करने को बोला। और जब मैंने सुना कि उन्होंने ऐसा करने को बोला है तो मैं भी हैरान थी कि कोविड को भगाने का ये कौन सा तरीका है। लेकिन फिर जब मैंने नक्षत्र वगैरह देखे या उसके बारे में पढ़ा, ऐसी बहुत सारी बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं विजय का वेट कर रही हूँ। उसने बोला मैं आ रहा हूँ, अगर वो आ गया तो मैं उसको ऐड नहीं कर पाऊंगी। प्रीति, मैं आपको थोड़ी देर के लिए निकाल दूं?
यस मैम।
और हम बातें करते रहेंगे, आप कमेंट करते रहना, ठीक है?
यस मैम, नो प्रॉब्लम।
थैंक यू।
तो लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, क्योंकि मैं जो क्या हुआ अब, कैन यू हियर मी?
या आई कैन हियर यू।
हाँ, तो क्योंकि मैं जो कुछ ऐसे एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स हैं जिनको नरेंद्र मोदी जी पर्सनली कंसल्ट करते हैं, उनमें से 2 को तो मैं पर्सनली जानता हूँ बहुत अच्छी तरीके से, और वो मुझे भी गाइड करते रहते हैं कि बिफोर ऐसा करो ऐसा करो। और उनमें से एक ने एक्यूरेट डेट बता दी थी मेरे अरेस्ट होने की। तो यस, ही ट्रस्ट अ लॉट इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी। वो मुहूर्त और इसमें बहुत विश्वास करते हैं। एक्चुअली वो इन चीजों में विश्वास नहीं करते, वो हिंदुस्तान की परंपरा संस्कृति इसमें विश्वास करते हैं। और ये वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ साइंस, वैदिक साइंस।
यस यस या मुझे कुछ लोगों को निकालना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो लोग वीडियो ऑन नहीं कर रहे हैं और आना चाहते हैं, किसी का डिवाइस कनेक्टेड नहीं है। सो अगर वो वीडियो ऑन किए बिना बार बार मुझे रिक्वेस्ट भेजेंगे तो आई विल हैव टू बैन देम फ्रॉम द स्टूडियो। सो प्लीज, इफ यू वांट टू कम, वेयर इज दिस पर्सन? पूनम अरोरा. Poonam Arora, I think you are not connected. Let me just check. So, विभोर, तूने कुछ बात बोली थी? ओके, तूने कोई बात बोली थी अभी 2 दिन पहले, कुछ नेस्ले को लेकर। वो क्या था? मतलब मैंने शेयर किया और लोग मुझसे सवाल कर रहे थे कि बिना किसी प्रूफ के आप ये कैसे बोल सकते हो? It was very disgusting. मतलब I felt like puking. That is what we've been eating. I mean, I don't eat Maggie and all those things. लेकिन ऐसे होता है कभी साल में एक आध बार, कुछ है नहीं है, मूड कराया, चलो खा लिया. But that was really disgusting. What was that about? You're muted. You're muted. रुक, मैं तेरा ऑडियो ऑन करती हूँ. नहीं, you have muted yourself. तो you will have to on it.
अब हुआ?
हाँ, हुआ.
तो देखो मैं बताता हूँ गिनी, ये जब सारी चीजें हैं ना, ये पहले से पब्लिक डोमेन के अंदर है। प्रॉब्लम ये है लोगों को दिखाई नहीं देती। डार्क वेब भी लोगों को पब्लिक डोमेन में था, एड्रीनोक्रोम भी पब्लिक डोमेन में था, सब कुछ था। मैंने कोई नई बातें या नई बातें नहीं कही थी, पर
हाँ
इन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम ये हो गई कि मेरी रीच इतनी बढ़ गई थी और लोग मेरे को इतना सुनने लग पड़े थे कि इनका भांडा फूटने लग पड़ा था। इसी वजह से सारे काम मेरे साथ जो है, जेल भेजा गया, ये हुआ वो हुआ, एंड दैट हैपेंड फॉर अ गुड रीजन एक्चुअली। अब मैं देखता हूँ पिछले 1.5 महीने से मैं नहीं हूँ, कितनी बातें होती हैं, सेम टू सेम बातें। कम से कम मैंने एक चीज तो अच्छी की कि मैंने लोगों को जागरूक किया उन चीजों के प्रति जिनके लिए वो सुनने को तैयार ही नहीं होते थे। और ये सारी चीजें पब्लिक डोमेन में आप रिसर्च कीजिए खुद।
ये एड्रेनोक्रोम से पहले अगर तूने बोला होता कि ये सब लिवर वगैरह एंड ऑल दैट, तो कोई मानता ही नहीं, मैं खुद नहीं मानती। एक मिनट, ये कुछ लोग बार बार कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और उनका डिवाइस कनेक्टेड नहीं है, तो मैं बता दूं कि मैं उन सबको बैन कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज वो बार बार ऊपर रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है और बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मुझे बार बार। एंड I don't know why Vijay has not yet come. I am waiting for him to join. That is why I am not accepting anyone. So please don't send me a request right now. Let Vibhor talk. Let Vijay come. Let him talk. Then after that we'll talk. हाँ.
तो ये जो सारी बातें हैं,
yes,
ये मैं
समृद्धि, can you put on your video and हाँ बोल।
तो ये सारी बातें कोई नई बातें नहीं है, सदियों से चीजें होती आ रही हैं और रिसर्च वर्क चलता आ रहा है, हाउ दीज पीपल आर डूइंग इट। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जो पहले एक्सपोज होते थे, सोशल मीडिया इतना एक्टिव नहीं था।
एक मिनट विभोर, AIDC विभोर बेवड़ा हो या कुछ भी हो, वो अपने पैसे की पीता है, तुम्हारे पैसे के नहीं पीता। अगर वो शराब पीता है या नहीं पीता है, वो रिहैब में था या नहीं था, या देबलीना के साथ उसका क्या हुआ, ये उसकी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है। I do not want all this nonsense on my channel. You are not going to talk to my guest like this. Do you understand? Yes, Vibhor, continue. Continue, Vibhor.
बोले थे ये भी हमारे,
नहीं, मेरे को पसंद नहीं है
लोग हैं।
बदतमीजी। हाँ तो उसको बोलना है तो तुझे पर्सनली जाके बोले। मेरे चैनल पे इस तरह के घटिया कमेंट्स मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं करूंगी, किसी के भी बारे में नहीं। बोल।
तो ये जो बातें हुई, जो भी हुआ इन लास्ट 6 months, जब मैं आया इस केस के अंदर SSR वाले में, कुछ मुझे बताया गया करने के लिए, कुछ मैंने खुद किया, कुछ चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग का इश्यू था, सब कुछ पब्लिक डोमेन में था। क्या संदीप फोगाट ने कुछ दिन पहले बोला कि हाँ चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग के बारे में सबको पता था। हाँ पता था, बिल्कुल पता था। बोलता कौन था?
मुझे नहीं
क्या
पता
वो बोलता था या गिनी तुम बोलती थी या कोई और बोलता था?
मुझे नहीं पता था, कुछ लोगों को पता होगा।
आज सारे चीख के बोलते हैं चाइल्ड ट्रैफिकिंग, आपकी एड्रीनोक्रोम, चाहे जो मर्जी। आज कम से कम अवेयरनेस फैली है, तो उस चीज का मैं प्राउड फील करता हूँ दैट आई वाज द पर्सन जिसने अवेयरनेस फैलाई लोगों के।
उद्धव ठाकरे का मैसेज है, आई विल अरेस्ट विभोर सून। क्यों भाई, तेरे बाप का राज है क्या?
कर ले यार, आजा कर ले यार,
उद्धव
क्या
ठाकरे
दिक्कत
थोड़ी है, उसका नाम लेके कोई लफंडर कुछ भी, यू विल अरेस्ट। बाप का राज है ना तेरे।
अरे
सबको ही अरेस्ट कर दे। तू एक काम
यार।
कर, तू पहले खुद जेल चला जा, क्योंकि सबसे पहले तो तेरे को जाना चाहिए। आया बड़ा, इसको अरेस्ट करूंगा, मुझे अरेस्ट करेगा। पहले अपने बेटे को अरेस्ट कर, जिसको करना चाहिए, बाद में हम लोगों से बात करना। हाँ
चिंता मत कर उद्धव ठाकरे भाई, तलोजा जेल में अच्छी सेटिंग बिठा के आया हुआ।
वो उद्धव ठाकरे थोड़ी है, उसका कोई चमचा है जिसको
उसको मैं चिढ़ा रहा हूँ यार, दैट्स इट।
मुझे पता है। हाय विजय, व्हाट टू किल
हेलो हेलो हाय, क्या हाल चाल है?
हेलो,
आई एम गुड। हेलो विभोर।
जय हिंद।
तूने विजय कुछ डाला था ट्विटर पे कि कुछ तेरी तबीयत खराब है, क्या हो गया?
अरे कुछ नहीं यार, टेस्ट वगैरह कराए थे तो कुछ स्टोन्स वगैरह आए हैं और टीबी डिटेक्ट हुआ था। लेटेंट है थोड़ा सा, मतलब पुराना था पहले। यस, तो या टीबी तो पुराना था काफी, उस टाइम पता नहीं लगा। तो अभी जब रिपोर्ट आई है तो पता लगा कि पहले था इनएक्टिव था, अभी थोड़ा सा एक्टिव हुआ है वो। तो थोड़ा सा मेडिकेशन वगैरह होगा तो हो जाएगा ठीक। और बताओ, और क्या चल रहा है, क्या बातें हो रही हैं?
कुछ
जस्ट
नहीं,
अभी ज्वाइन
उद्धव
किया।
ठाकरे बोल रहा है कि मैं फ्यूचर प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने वाला हूँ। ये इतने बड़े बड़े सपने क्यों देखता है? ये
क्या
ऐसे
क्या
सपने
क्या
ना तेरी
क्या हुआ, मुझे
ये
एक्सप्लेन करो, क्या हुआ?
कोई लफंडर बंदा है, कोई मतलब यू नो जस्ट
हाँ,
फेक
somebody
आईडी है
who's
यार।
using फेक आईडी
ओके,
है, ट्रोलर है, उद्धव ठाकरे का नाम लेके उल्टे सीधे
हाँ,
कमेंट्स भेजता रहता है। पहले उसने मुझे बोला कि वो मुझे अरेस्ट करके बहुत मारेगा, फिर मुझे
अच्छा,
कहता है यू आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। 2 दिन पहले
हाँ।
मैंने उसका एक कमेंट डिलीट किया जिसमें उसने लिखा था आई लव यू, और अभी विभोर को कहता है मैं तेरे को अरेस्ट करूंगा, और अभी
फेक
ये
आईडी
कहता
वालों
है
का
कि
कोई कोई लिमिट नहीं है।
मैं
आज मैं भी पड़ा हूँ लोगों के पीछे, आई मीन क्योंकि बहुत हो गया था 1-2 महीने से ये लोग पूरे टाइम बॉडी शेमिंग, गाली गलौज, हरेसमेंट, बुलिंग, लिमिट क्रॉस, लोगों की पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि कोई लॉजिकल चीजें नहीं है इनके पास बोलने के लिए ना। तो कभी ना कभी जवाब देना पड़ता है। हर इंसान का एक एक पॉइंट होता है जहां पे आके वो उसको जवाब देना पड़ता है। कब तक कितना कोई इंसान सहन करेगा?
हाँ, पर कितना खाली बैठे हैं यार, इनके पास काम धंधा नहीं है। उद्धव ठाकरे अगर ये है तो जाके अपना राज्य संभाल।
अरे कोई नहीं है,
यहाँ
दीज आर
पे
फेक
बैठ
आईडीज, फेक आईडी है
ऑब्वियसली
ये
आई नो,
सारे।
इवन आई
या
नो ही इज अ फेक आईडी, आई नो दैट, बट ठीक है, जाने दो, कॉमेडी है हमारे लिए तो एंटरटेनमेंट है।
या और बताओ विभोर, हाउ इज योर हेल्थ नाउ?
हाँ देख लो यार, तुम्हें दिख ही रहा होगा, अच्छा हो गया, वेट गेन कर लिया,
गुड,
मोटा
गुड
हो गया
टू
हूँ।
सी यू लाइक दिस, गुड टू
हाँ,
सी यू
पर
लाइक दिस। खुश
तेरा
रहो ऐसे।
प्लास्टर और कितने दिन लगा रहेगा?
या
3.5 weeks more।
ओके,
3.5 weeks मोर, काफी टाइम हो गया, 2
या
महीने हो गए तेरे प्लास्टर को।
हाँ,
या
14 दिसंबर से लेके 14 मार्च तक का है।
ये अरुण सोमेश्वर इज ट्राइंग टू ज्वाइन बट योर डिवाइस इज नॉट कनेक्टेड, सो वो कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा, मैंने तो ऐड किया था। ओके, सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विजय? यार
ऑल
विभोर,
गुड।
कुछ न्यूज दो, बहुत ठंडा पड़ा है, सीबीआई चुप बैठी है। एक तो तूने भसूड़ी डाल दी वो दिसंबर में कि वो
कोई बिग
यू नो
ब्रेकिंग करी तो।
जेकब इज अलाइव की मुसीबत डाल दी, और वो मेरे गले पड़ गया। आज तक मुझे लोग पूछते हैं प्लीज बताओ वो जिंदा है,
अब तो
मुझे
बहुत
नहीं
टाइम हो
लगता
गया
जिंदा
विभोर, अब
है।
तो कोई बिग ब्रेकिंग कर ही दो तुम।
हेलो अरुण जी।
करेंगे।
माफी चाहता हूँ भाई, मैं तो फ्लोरिडा से हूँ। अभी
अच्छा,
नमस्ते
विभोर
सर,
जी
अरुण
को
सर, नमस्ते।
नमस्ते भाई, आप सबकी नमस्ते। मेरी हिंदी थोड़ा कमजोर, 40-45 साल हुआ इंडिया छोड़कर,
जी
तो ऐसी बात नहीं, मैं ऐसे तो बॉम्बे का हूँ,
जी,
तो हिंदी मेरा बम्बईया हिंदी है थोड़ा,
अच्छा है सर।
तो समझ
आपको
लीजिए।
जैसे कंफर्टेबल लगे आप बोलिए, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, जो
हाँ,
मर्जी
इंग्लिश में
बोलो
तो
आप।
वेरी कंफर्टेबल। आप 4 ही लोग
यू
हैं
कैन,
इसमें, तो हम इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं आपकी आज्ञा से। तो
जी जरूर।
हाँ
एब्सोल्युटली
जी,
एब्सोल्युटली।
और एंड आपका नाम भूल गया भाई।
विजय,
विजय
विभोर
विजय
और गिन्नी।
विजय।
विजय सलगांवकर,
यस,
नकली नाम है ना। तो
या नकली नाम सर।
I've been following you guys for like the last, right from the beginning. Vibhor, you're the man. I mean, इसमें I'm sort of half retired. I've been working. I'm an IIT guy working, and I've been following like many others. Your logic, your ability to hit the nail on the head. Hats off to you. I mean, and Vijay, you too. I mean, you two guys are the genuine. Everybody else is a
थैंक यू।
total fake. Believe me, those guys they're shaming India by being so hypocritical. I mean, this is a murder, but none of us are related to Sushant. None of us really knew him. And the mystery that you guys, especially Vibor, has been able to slowly unfold in the various facets. I'm fascinated. My wife and everybody saying, "What the hell are you doing?" But I'm telling you, more than my work. Because luckily, I'm at the top of my work where I don't have to work much. 40 years of experience, I can do half an hour work for the whole day, right? Thank God for it. But you guys have really shown what is happening in India, and the way you are following the whole process. I'm telling you, this is a new India, and I can't believe what is happening in Bombay. I mean, I can't believe those idiots are going so out of their way to do such stupid things that cannot even be done in a fourth world country. Forget about India.
It's not only stupid, it is very disgusting and devilish.
Disgusting.
It's satanic.
I'm amazed that this is being allowed to happen in a city like Bombay. My question, if I may ask a question, why aren't the authorities just clamping down? This is so obvious. Why aren't they clamping down the police authority being misused in Bombay right from the beginning?
There is one character by the name of Uddhav Thackeray, by the ID of Uddhav Thackeray right now here, who is asking, is my son involved in child trafficking? Why don't you ask him that question? Tell him to come live and answer your question.
I grew up with this Bal Thackeray guy, right? Like Vibhor, I'm not afraid to call a spade a spade. He was a thug all the way. He was a thug. One of my cousins got knifed in one of the speeches in the 70s. I'm talking of, I was born in the 50s, early 50s. So one of my cousins was getting out of a V.K. Krishna Menon speech, and the Shiv Sena guys knifed him for no reason. This guy was you remember the CEO of one of the biggest Enron.
Somebody shouting in the background. What is that noise? कहाँ से आ रही है?
अरे मैं जहाँ हूँ ना वहाँ से आ रही होगी.
अच्छा मैं तेरे को म्यूट कर देती हूँ, रुक जा. मैं तेरे को म्यूट कर देती हूँ. हाँ, continue अरुण जी.
Yeah, so that Enron CEO came to India, to Bombay, and the first thing she did was to go to Bal Thackeray's house rather than meet the chief minister. Can you imagine this guy, where he has a control at that time? But even he is nothing compared to the stupidity that's going on today.
Yes.
Even he came around. At least he was an artist. He had a background, and he could speak well in Marathi. He gave great speeches. These guys, I don't understand how they are able to get away with what they are doing. It's shocking to me. Shocking to me that Bombay can have this kind of a situation where people are being lifted at random, murders are being snuffed under the carpet. Very shocking. And of course, the other things that are going on in India, one could guess, because India is a complicated country. There's so many, the law and order is unfortunately, but law and order is bad everywhere, as you know. We all, in our country, we almost took the idiots almost took over the capital, as you know. So there are situations everywhere. But this situation in India, I simply don't understand why it's taking so long. It's okay if justice has to take time, it has to take time. But they should at least intimate the public that they are going on the right path. This is very, very serious. This a lot of people are saying, what's India up to? I'm talking from the outside. Why does a country where such a huge magnitude issue, where millions of people are involved, intelligent people, I'm telling you, the people all over the world are looking at India and saying, up to now, everything was going great because, India is doing very well. The image of India all over the world is fantastic in the last several years. It is an up-and-coming country that can go past China, can go past anything if things are done right. But this law and order situation throws a very bad light of India, saying that you can have a situation like this and people get in broad daylight, crimes are being committed in Bombay, so many people are being killed, and there's even a Prime Minister Modi or the Defense Minister, whoever, cannot do anything about it. It's very shocking to me that the CBI is not telling the public, look, we've picked up a couple of guys and we are on to the whole game. We are going to go after the Dubai guys. We're going to do this. Just lay it out. Let the public some assurance. This is like behaving in a going back to the third world days where you're keeping your masses in the dark. This is not good for India.
Problem is that the center doesn't really have control over the state and the city here because of this government not being part of BJP.
Ginny, the thing about it is when a crime is committed, you cannot have an excuse that some people don't have a control. When a crime is committed, somebody has to take charge. If the state government is not taking charge, then the central government has to step in.
No, it's not. It's not that the state government is not taking charge. The problem is that according to whatever has been revealed up till now, they are probably, I don't think I should say this on record, but
yeah, I mean,
I don't want to say anything that I will land up in jail, but for all you know, they may be hand in glove, or they may be themselves involved.
I appreciate you guys because you're still in India. You have to be careful with your words and all that, which is perfectly fine. So please don't say things that will, put you in trouble. But what I'm saying, as an onlooker from the outside, this looks very. There is no excuse.
Hold on. I can't mute him. Before, can you mute yourself? Okay. Yeah. Continue.
All right. Thanks. So the impression that we are getting from the outside is, when crimes like this are committed, you cannot pass the buck. You cannot say the center is not involved, the state is not involved. Somebody has to be involved. The common man is being treated like dirt. I mean, the guy on the street, if I were living in Bombay, I can't imagine living in Bombay like this, where anybody could pick me up and anybody can, if I speak against something, speak my mind on something, or even if I see something and I want to say, go to the police station, I'd be afraid. I thought those days were gone, but you still have a situation like that.
No, this thing has only come to light because the public has been involved. But before this, there were so many other deaths in the industry, and they happen almost every day in this city, in this state, which people are not aware about and which don't get justice.
But that is what I'm saying. This is a golden opportunity, right? You've had all these cases, people getting snuffed out, and nobody could do nothing in the past. But this is one unique situation where the entire spotlight of the bigwigs in the country is on one situation here and anything else connected to it. And yet nothing is happening. I mean, I'm not blaming the CBI or whoever. They're doing their job, I'm sure. But the communication skills of the government to its public, in placating them from saying, look, we are treating you with respect, you are concerned, you're an ordinary citizen, you're afraid you could be picked up anytime, you cannot speak up against people. This is not good. I mean, this is like living in one of those, dictator countries.
Yeah.
This is no bit different than that. And India is not even close to that kind of a situation. So why is it going back? I mean, 50 years ago, when I used to live in Bombay, there was a robbery in a gas supply station just below us. And we were told they came and the gas station guy cleaned out all his cash for 5 lakhs. Then I was told by my neighbor that it is not 5 lakhs, it's more like 100 lakhs, but they didn't want to tell the police. You know what that meant? Because the police would have knocked off more. So people were more afraid of the police than the guy who came and robbed them.
That's the problem.
That was the problem 40, 50 years. I'm talking 50 years ago. But today, if you're afraid of the police for murders like this, I mean, that is not murder. That's just a thief,
Oh, no. It's not just murders. The people in the city are afraid of every government department.
Only in Bombay or all over?
I know about Bombay. I don't know about all over. But from what I know, a lot of cities have a very high rate of corruption. Delhi is no less. Everybody knows that Delhi is got a very high crime rate. And I'll tell you an example. Last year, or was it 2018? I'm not very sure. There was a major fire in an extremely crowded locality in town, in a main Mumbai city. Okay, I'm not talking about the suburbs. I'm talking about there. And it was very difficult for the fire brigade to get in. And the person, his house, shop was on the ground floor, house on the first floor. The whole building got, completely on the ground. And the fire brigade came, but it refused to do anything about it.
Wow.
They said, no, this is the amount you pay us, and then we will do.
Ginny, I lived in Bombay till I came to the States, and I think from what you're telling me, it's gotten worse. And I
has
go to
gotten
Bombay
worse.
often. My brother has a lot of property and stuff like that, but I really don't stay in Bombay too long. But what you're telling me is a lot worse than what it used to be. I mean, I can't imagine that a major fire and the fire brigade just stands around looking at the stuff. That doesn't even make sense.
Do you know that there are so many problems as of right now that I am even scared to go and complain to the police because, hi Saffron.
Hey.
I am
Saffron,
so scared.
I've been following you too, man. I'm in Florida, guy. Good to see you.
Hope.
So I am scared as of date right now. I mean,
Right.
I have so many things that I would love to go and, ask the police for help, but I'm scared to go because for all you know, first, they may ask me for money. Secondly, they may put me in jail like this idiot here was talking about whatever bullshit.
Yeah.
So if local
I'll tell you a couple of stories in Bombay. But this what is happening right now is just defeats my imagination. But I'll tell you, I have a sister-in-law in Toronto, and she's related to the Rahejas, right? And she's also from Bombay. And they told me a story. Her father, who's passed away now, told me a story that there was a big builder in Bombay, and he was asked, the usual cut when you build a nice building, the Kalpataru buildings, you get 10% cut for the thugs,
One sec, Arunji. Ursri, can you please put on your video? Otherwise, I will have to ban you from the studio. Hi, good.
It's a familiar face again. So what happened there was the guy warned the builder. The builder was supposedly an honest guy, and he refused to pay that 5-10%, which is a huge amount. And he called the police and said they're going to come back because they told him we'll come back tomorrow at 4:00. If you don't have the money, there'll be bad consequences, right? He called the police and told them the whole thing. Those guys came at 3:00, cut both his hands. This is builder. And the police came at 4:00. So you tell me. That means obviously the police were connected with. So that happens at that level, okay, at very high level. I have stories like that, and that used to happen in Bombay. We used to know about it. But when you're talking about this situation here, a movie actor getting killed and a whole bunch of other guys tied with him, right in broad daylight. And believe me, I know the entire drug scene of Bombay from the 70s. I know the Haji Mastans. I know the Karim Lala. I've been through the whole thing. I mean, this Sanjay Dutt and all were chelas, where we used to hang around. So I know the whole thing. But this is a lot worse. This is for fear of life. I mean, I used to roam around Bombay in those days with some friends late in the night. We used to do marijuana, hashish. I've completely quit from that 40 years ago. I'm talking of my youth, right? I mean, that's one of the reasons I came to the States. Of course, all IIT guys come here to get the hell out of that company in Bombay. I had that kind of, all these idiots running around with these drugs. I knew all these kind of guys. They're just, they're a lot more illiterate nowadays than they used to be. Of course, the Bandra and all those areas were not developed, as you know, Jenny. I'm talking on FNC Road, Flora Fountain, Churchgate, and that area, right? Yeah. So, but the Bandra. So the point is, I am shocked that the Indian government, with Modi being in power, obviously has enough power.
So, what do you have to say about this, Vijay, Vibhor, Saffron? I mean, whatever he just said. And whatever is happening, we all know what is happening. What is your comments? Ye Turkey Buddha वापस आ गया. There is one person here who calls himself Turkey Buddha number 1.
Oh, jeez.
He refuses to put on his video, and he wants to come on my channel. You are so ugly,
Sala shakal to badal de.
Okay. Okay.
Vinny, I was expecting some tarot reading cards.
Yeah, same.
ये तो कुछ और ही लग रहा है.
I didn't know the content के क्या होने वाला है, so I was
मैंने
expecting
सीधे बोला था कि it's going to be casual chit chat. There is no tarot reading happening.
The most amazing thing is an ordinary guy like me who usually just sits and watches. I don't even come on video. When I was given a chance to speak, I said, "What the hell's happening here?" I'm sorry if I've taken your time. guys.
No.
So whatever agenda you had, I said my piece, and I'm an avid listener, and I have my views. I will give it to you whenever you want. Thank you.
Well, so Vijay, Vibhor, what is happening on this front? Vijay यार विभोर तेरे यहाँ पे बहुत शोर है
यार बहुत
बैकग्राउंड
आवाज आ रही है।
वो
ये
विभोर की
विभोर
तरफ
की
से आ
साइड
रही
से
है।
है, मेरी साइड से कुछ नहीं है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
हाँ तो एक एक करके तुम लोग कुछ बोलो, लोग वेट कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे बोलने के लिए।
I mean, जैसा अरुण सर ने बोला, I mean, वो चीज सही है। उस टाइम की तो लाइक हम लोग मूवी में ही देखते हैं ना, हाजी मस्तान की, करीम लाला की, और उस टाइम जमाने वाली चीजें तो वंस अपॉन अ टाइम इन मुंबई, तो मूवी में तो थोड़ी हमेशा चीजें ट्विस्ट करके ही दिखाते हैं। ओके, पॉजिटिव साइड ही दिखाई है। मतलब इंडियन मूवीज का तो एक ऐसा कल्चर है कि हमेशा जो गैंगस्टर होते हैं उनको एज अ हीरो ही पोर्ट्रे किया है उन्होंने, स्पेशली।
आया था ना अभी दाऊद इब्राहिम।
या तो और अगर थोड़ा सा कुछ भी अलग होता है, जैसे एक कॉफी विद के समथिंग कोई मूवी थी, एग्जैक्ट मुझे नाम नहीं पता उसका, सुनील ग्रोवर की मूवी थी वो। ओके,
अच्छा।
तो उसके लिए इफ यू गो ऑन यूट्यूब एंड यू विल गेट दैट ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के, जहां पे उसको थ्रेटन किया था, ठीक है,
हाँ।
कि आप प्रोमो रोक दीजिए, ये मूवी रिलीज नहीं होने देंगे। एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट गाय?
क्यों?
द राइट हैंड ऑफ दाऊद इब्राहिम, हु इज द नेम ऑफ दैट गाय?
वो
छोटा राजन।
No, not छोटा राजन।
नहीं
छोटा शकील। छोटा शकील
या छोटा शकील ने कॉल किया, कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग इज देयर ऑन यूट्यूब। तो उसको, उस मूवी को, आई मीन वो कह रहा है बंदा कि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम पैसे लगा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, और मैं पहली मूवी बना रहा हूँ और इसमें ह्यूमर है, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन उसके लिए भी उसको थ्रेटन किया जा रहा है। मतलब ये देखिए कि मूवी भी नहीं बनाने दिया जा रहा है उनको, या तो आप एज अ हीरो दिखाओ या फिर हम आपको दिखाने ही नहीं देंगे। इस तरह से चीजें चल रही है। और उसमें ऐसा बोल रहा, प्रोड्यूसर को कॉल करके, सुनील ग्रोवर से बात हो गई है मेरी, उसने तेरे को बताया नहीं है, ऐसे या वैसे करके, समथिंग लाइक दैट। तो ये तो पुरानी चीज है, क्योंकि अरुण सर का टाइम का जमाना है, तो उनको ज्यादा रियलिटी पता होगी इस चीज की कि एक्चुअल में क्या होता था। लेकिन मूवी में ऐसा दिखाया था कि हाजी मस्तान के टाइम पे, आई मीन, थोड़े से डिसेंट तरीके थे उनके ना चीजों को करने के। इस तरह से नहीं था लोगों को मार दिया या कुछ कर दिया, थोड़ा डिसेंट तरीके से चीजें करते थे और थोड़ा लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन करके चलते थे।
किसी को कुछ मार नहीं मिला उस टाइम में। द ऑर्डिनरी मैन वाज कंप्लीटली स्पेयर्ड। कोई only the internal guys got hit in the worst times.
Yeah. तो अभी द सिनेरियो इज एग्जैक्टली डिफरेंट एंड ऑपोजिट। अभी तो बिल्कुल चेंज हो गई है चीजें। अभी तो लाइक आपके पास फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच नहीं है। वैसे आप बोलते हैं कि आप डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में रह रहे हैं, लेकिन आप अगर कुछ भी बोलते हैं तो उसके ऊपर आपको धमकी मिलती है, आपके ऊपर केस कर दिया जाएगा, आपको अंदर डाल दिया जाएगा। इस तरह की चीजें हो रही हैं, नॉट इन मुंबई, मतलब इन टोटलिटी बता रहा हूँ, इन जनरल, कि हम कुछ भी
पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हो रही हैं, पर इंडिया
the only free thing in India is you can criticize the BJP government or the ruling party कितनी भी एक्सटेंट तक जाके, ये फ्री है। इसके लिए लोग करते रहते हैं सुबह से लेकर शाम तक, कोई एक्शन नहीं लेता। उसके अलावा अगर आप कुछ भी करने जाएंगे तो आपको धमकी मिलेगी, आपको अंदर डाल दिया जाएगा। दिस इज द रियलिटी। उनको कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता, उनके पास ओपन लाइसेंस।
One sec, Vijay. Ursri and Rajesh, your devices are not connected, so I'm unable to add you. Okay, wait. She has come. I don't know where Vibhor is gone. उसके वैसे भी network problem रहती है. Hi, Ursri. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Ginny and Saffron Tiger, and also Rahul might remember me.
Hello, ma'am. You used to call me Kesari Vyagra.
You remember that?
Absolutely.
That's very good. Sanatana, not Hindu. Okay, now it is Sanatana Kesari Vyagra. Now, one more word.
Where are you from?
Yeah, that's nice. Sir, I cannot. Yeah, I'm first time on channel, but I've been watching your shows with Saffron Tiger, I suppose. Kesari Vyagra. Yeah, I'll go back to that. Yeah, and yeah, I just happened to join now. I thought you are going to save this video in the YouTube by any chance, because initial thing I couldn't hear. Is it possible? Okay, so that I can. I mean,
I don't know if I should save it.
Okay.
I would probably save it, but I would make it private. So if you want, I can send you a link.
That would be great because
I would like that. I don't want these idiots to come to my door. No.
No, because we are having a casual chit chat.
Don't worry, Guinea. Don't worry. There are a lot of trollers who are actually recording it, so don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it will come back to you.
लिंक अपने आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा और सब जगह चल रहा होगा कल तक.
चल रहा होगा.
So it's not a
हाँ.
it is actually being recorded. I'll tell you.
I know.
Okay.
So I think I'm out of context probably. Yeah, please go ahead, Guinea.
Sorry, 1 second. Saffron, I'll take that as a compliment.
Absolutely.
Because
Saffron, it is by default. By default PR promotion है. So you don't need to hire people के जो तुम्हारे लिंक को शेयर करें. ऑटोमेटिकली लोग रिकॉर्ड करके डालेंगे. एक नेगेटिव डाले, पॉजिटिव डाले, लोगों तक तुम्हारा मैसेज पहुंच जाएगा. वो उनके ऊपर उनको किस तरह से लेना है.
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. आई विल टेक दैट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. मेरा अभी रिसेंटली मैंने कुछ हफ्ते पहले एक फ्रेंड है रितेश, उसके साथ मैंने क्वांटम फिजिक्स के ऊपर डिस्कशन के लिए एक लाइव किया था और वो मुझे हमेशा बोलता है, जैसे अगर कभी कोई ट्रोलर ने कुछ बोल दिया और मैं कहती हूँ कि इसने ऐसे बोला, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है या व्हाटएवर, तो तू पागल है, जितने नेगेटिव कमेंट्स आएंगे और जितने ट्रोल करेंगे ना उतना तेरा फायदा होगा. ऐसे तू तो पागल है. Anyway, continue, Sri.
Yeah, Usha, you can say that's my shortest thing forms. Yeah. So yeah, it says like one of our project managers used to say that, I used to run and say that there is some bug in my code and rest everything is fine. He used to tell, see, if there is a code, then there's a bug, then you're working. Don't worry about it. So if you have hurdles, that means that you're doing something good.
Exactly.
So yeah, I just I was curious enough as usual, seeker by birth and by practice, seeking to the end to know the fact. Of course, what I understand is truth and facts are like fire. You need to handle it very carefully. And yes, and like I was just very interested to join this platform to see all of you, but behind the screen. I didn't know that it's going to be live and I'll be here on the front this one show. So it's I feel good. Yeah, I feel good, and at the same time I just wanted to know just I follow multiple things, even what the highly talented Rahul and sir, I literally don't know about this one. I have not followed your this one, pages or something like that. So I have very little to appreciate or comment on any of your contributions. And of course, Kesari Vyagra, I've been watching. It is almost in sync with Guinea, your astrological and numerological things. I was wondering about recent 6 planets in one Rashi.
Yeah.
I think you would have already told, supposed to be.
I had shared a video that I saw on YouTube about all these planets. Okay, 1 second. Everybody's asking where is Vibhor, but Vibhor had just messaged in the comments. If you scroll above, the comment is there. He said that his network is bad and he is unable to join. So there is somebody else here, SSM. I don't know who that is, but if you can put on your video, I will keep you, or I will have to remove you from the stream. So about the 6 planets in Capricorn. Now, Saturn is, as it is a very dry planet, and when it comes in Capricorn, Capricorn is about the farmlands. It's about work. So and Jupiter and Saturn don't do well together. And Jupiter is in Capricorn along with Saturn. And other than that, Mars being in Aries, and Venus, Mercury were also there with Saturn and Jupiter, and Sun and Moon were there. So Moon was only there for 2 days. After that, Moon moved out. Mercury is in retrograde. It will go straight on the 21st of February. And Venus will also move out soon. But the effect of all these planets in Capricorn will affect the jobs of people, will affect the farmers and the farm and the foods and produce, And on a national and international level, it will really affect the country very badly. So last time when all these planets were together in Sagittarius, Sagittarius is the sign of Jupiter and of religion. So we saw that the CAA happened and religious riots happened. Now with this happening in Capricorn, Capricorn is about work. It's your karma kshetra. So all this happening in Capricorn, it will affect personally everybody's work, their jobs, and it will affect their finances, because Saturn being in Capricorn, and before Capricorn, I mean before Aquarius, it means a lack in financial resources. So पैसा थोड़ा कम हो गया, नौकरी छूट गई, किसी का बिजनेस खराब हो गया, फैक्ट्रीज में कोई आग लग गई, कहीं पे कुछ नेचुरल कैलामिटीज हो गई. सो all these planets being in Capricorn is why I had said that there will be landslides and natural calamities, and the earthquakes did happen. And according to me, March, April, May are going to be worse as far as natural calamities and deaths are concerned. So that's it's sad, but then Earth also has to go through its revolution and it has to regenerate. So जब तक कुछ खत्म नहीं होता तब तक आगे कुछ नया होगा नहीं. तो ठीक है, होना जो होना है वो होना है.
What's the message to countrymen?
Message, I would say save money and be very careful, and try and help everyone, because we all are in distress. Everybody at their own level is going through something, mentally, koi emotionally, somebody physically, somebody financially. And in this time, if we cannot be humane enough and help each other in their times of need, we may be in their place tomorrow, but at least we need to try and help whatever little you can. Maybe you cannot go all out and help, but little bit, whatever you can, you should help each other. I mean, if there is a natural calamity, for example, a building crashes and falls down, I believe this year a lot of buildings may actually crash in the month of August. So if that happens,
you're talking about Bombay,
everywhere around the world, whether it is due to earthquake, whether it is due to something else, I believe it will happen. So if something happens like that, it's in your locality, don't you go to remove those people who have gotten stuck or buried. आप जाते हो, उनको मदद करते हो, उनको बाहर निकालते हो, किसी को अपने घर में रखते हो, किसी को खाना देते हो, किसी को कपड़ा देते हो. तो ऐसे ही दुनिया में जब कोई कैलामिटी आती है तो हम सबका फर्ज बनता है एक दूसरे की हेल्प करना. अगर हम ऐसे टाइम पे ह्यूमैनिटी के नाते एक दूसरे की हेल्प नहीं करेंगे तो कल हमारा वक्त होगा, होगा नहीं होगा, पर फिर तब हमें भी बुरा लगेगा कि आज मुझे मदद की जरूरत है, कोई नहीं आ रहा. That's my message to the world. Yeah. So 2020 was a trailer. 2021 and for continuing, every year is going to be a new story in its own self. This is what I think. This is what I believe. So we all need to take it a little easy. Take it a little easy on your expenses also. Don't go all out and आज मुझे पार्टी करनी है, आज मुझे कपड़े खरीदने हैं, ये वो गाड़ी खरीदनी है. No, save money. थोड़ा टाइम अगर बाद में कर लोगे, जब हालात अच्छे हैं, तो कोई हर्ज नहीं है. But of course, it's their money. They can do what they want. What do you have to say about that, Saffron? Even you do numerology, right?
Saffron is only smiling, and that is what I was noticing since he joined.
Yeah.
No, it is. It is. I was smiling because it is so good to be live for a change and just be a listener rather than being, it is a very exhaustive job. Always, engage people into conversations and carrying forward the life. But it's very good.
You guys did a phenomenal job of beginning with this whole thing and getting a lot of people involved, especially guys like me who are not away from India. I'm sure there are millions like that.
I'm sure, sir. We share the same sentiment. That is why we both are here sharing the screen space.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you've taken the brunt, you of all. No, the thing is, Vibhor really caught our imagination. There's no doubt about it. I mean, I can give credit to a lot of people, but initially the
Why has
uniqueness.
Vibhor gone? Where is he? I was waiting to ask him the same question that everybody is, although I did not come here with any agenda. मैंने clearly बोला था मैं कोई
Quite
topic
frankly,
लेकर नहीं आ रही हूँ.
when Vibhor said he's going to show up on your thing, I came right because of that, because I thought maybe another Khulasa, sort of makes your own world sort of tip around. But let me, if you don't mind, I've spent the last 45 years in this mystical region, like a Sufi, because I had all these experiences in India. I had an overdose, real overdose. I had to leave, get the hell out of India to avoid that. I was like a gateway to the hippies in the 60s. You won't believe it, in the late 60s, St. Xavier's. But when you talk about numerology, everything is fantastic science. I mean, India has so much to share: numerology, astrology, but ultimately the happiness of each individual is controlled by that individual, and it's within you. It's got nothing to do with the external circumstances. The whole world might go to dogs tomorrow, but as long as I'm centered within, doesn't matter. But it's good to talk about it, to see what you can do to help others. That's automatic. Here in the US, like Saffron will tell you, if there's an earthquake or if there's, everybody pitches in. It's automatic. We don't think twice of somebody in Miami has a problem in the house. Everybody goes and helps out. And that has to happen everywhere in the world. So get that Vibhor guy back.
I was just trying to call Vibhor, but he's saying I'm having network issues, so I am unable to join. And I was trying to call him so that he can join, but his number is busy. So I guess I'll just wait, till he calls back at least, or I don't know where he is.
Let's give him a few minutes. Beyond that, the main thing that I came to discuss was this Sushant Singh and the condition of India today. I mean, to me, it is very, very shocking. Every single day, I'm shocked by another incident that.
What do you think? One second. There was recently another murder, right? Another death that Vibhor had tweeted about. Saffron, do you know about that?
He has tweeted a lot of stuff.
No. Last week there was another death. Is 007.
Well, there's a Sandeep Nahar death. Every day there is a death related to Sushant.
I don't think Sandeep Nahar, to my knowledge, I don't think there was any connection of his death to the societies, because he had, from what I know and what I've seen, he had posted a suicide note as well as a suicide as well as a video before committing the suicide on Facebook.
I just picked that name because it's in the list when you open, right? But every day somebody related to this case, one way or the other, is being knocked out. I mean, India is becoming so irresponsible in accounting for the human life. It just shocks me. I mean, that was never the case. Tell me, Saffron. You tell me.
I would like to butt in, and I would like to say that a lot of crappy stuff has been happening all around the world. It is just that our focus is more towards India because we have in our roots.
I do not want to compare India with all the third world, the crappy places.
You'd be pleasantly surprised to know, or rather unpleasantly surprised to know, that in the weeks before Super Bowl event, there were 75 arrests that happened in Florida related to human trafficking. Did you know that?
I know about human trafficking in the US, from day one. I mean, with all these kids, and
if you look up Operation Game Over, it will give you the news.
I know, Saffron. I'm totally aware of all the stuff that's going on in the US. Okay, but you and me are not affected by it. I can go on the street, or I can go to a bank. I can speak against anybody. Nobody's going to come and hassle me like that. Okay.
Yes. That's because of absolute freedom of speech.
Absolute freedom of speech. I mean, so I put India in the same level as the United States. I expect the same. I mean, who do you think are the most intelligent people in the United States?
You can't expect the same. There is a vast difference. You don't have that kind of freedom of speech in India.
Ginny,
You say one word.
I'm not expecting it in the villages. I'm not expecting in 80% of India. I'm expecting it in the metropolis, where supposedly there are educated people. The infrastructure is there. The police is there. I mean, this is worse than third world. The way the police is acting in Bombay. I don't think the police.
Definitely not expected. That was
very unexpected. Very unexpected. I mean, that's.
I was shocked myself.
Yeah. I mean, who's in charge? You know.
Okay, one sec. Vijay has gone for dinner, and Vibhor's phone is continuously busy, so I am not able to connect with him.
I have to leave. Okay, ये दोनों लोग बिना बताए गए, मैं बता के जा रहा हूँ तुम्हें।
हाँ, और क्या है ना कि अभी इतनी देर से बैठे-बैठे my back has started paining, so I think we should end this session. नहीं, मैं बैठा नहीं जा रहा, मैं बीच में 2 बार उठ चुकी हूँ, and I don't want to mess around with my fracture. It is still in the healing process, so I think we will end this session
easy,
here.
Ginny. Take it easy.
Yeah.
Meditation is the key. Everything else, you meditate and you can create your whole body again.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Saffron, for joining. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Vibhor. Thank you, Sri. Thank you, Arunji. And thank you, everybody else who had joined. I did not come with an agenda. I never promised I was going to talk about SSR or anything like that. I am trying to, accept everybody who's trying to join, but there is some network issue on your side or my side. I don't know. But I'm unable to add y'all. But anyway,
if you don't mind, just tell Vibhorji to keep it on, because we are living for the stuff.
I don't think it is safe for him as of now to say anything more or tweet about it.
But he's been tweeting.
I know. Anyway. Yes, but he is doing it in very small doses and very limited. And I don't know even if he was supposed to come live today. I don't know if it was right for him or not, but I'm glad he came, because we can't put his life at risk or send him again to
absolutely,
jail.
Absolutely.
So, and that is the reason everybody has gone quiet, because, the CB, everything what we could do as public, we have done our best. And it's now in the hands of the CBI, and CBI is quiet. And so,
Can I?
Yes.
Yeah, like a lot of us, we do follow, and Kesari Vagra always hears me saying that I don't believe everything, but I don't deny anything, because time and truth reveals in its own time. So there is no point in judging any person or anyone from our point of view. So keeping it aside, Ginny, we are, and Kesari Vagra as well as Rahul, for managing the impulsiveness of Vibhor. We are very thankful as a general public.
Right.
Vibhor he came. Namaste, Vande Mataram.
मैं तो बस जाने वाली थी. अब तू आ गया है तो पब्लिक से बात कर ले, जो करनी है. उनको बोल दे, उनके पास बहुत सवाल है तेरे लिए.
पूछो.
So come on, another 10 minutes and then at least मैं चली जाऊंगी, तुम लोग बातें करते रहना.
Hey Vibhor,
हेलो मेरी जान, कैसा है तू?
बस बढ़िया, तू बता.
सब बढ़िया.
ये निकल गया क्या फ्रैक्चर? अभी वो है क्या, टेप निकल गया है?
है अभी भी
है.
अच्छा. टेक केयर भाई, आराम करो.
So Saffron बोल रहा था मुझे भी जाना है. I think you have to go to work, right?
पूछो.
पूछो, वो लोग पूछ रहे हैं, तेरे को जवाब देना है. Bye. Good to see you. So okay, what is the question people had? Come on now. एक ही क्वेश्चन बार पूछते रहते हैं लोग कि तूने जेकब के बारे में बात की थी, हमें उसके बारे में जानना है. क्या वो जिंदा है या नहीं है? Here it is. Please.
अब कितनी बार बोलूं भैया? ट्वीट कर दिया. ट्वीट अभी भी.
कैसे हो सकता है जिंदा वो?
अब उसके
कैसे
लिए
हो
थोड़ा वेट
सकता है
कर लो।
जिंदा? अरे वो थोड़ी ना, अगर वो जिंदा भी हुआ तो वो थोड़ी सामने आने वाला है। एਵੇਂ तूने लोगों के दिमाग में घुसूड़ी डाल दी है, क्यों डाली? अगर वो
देखो
जिंदा है भी, तो अगर वो जिंदा है ये बात बाहर बोलेगा तो उसकी जान को खतरा हो जाएगा, उसको रहने देता। जरूरी था तेरा बोलना?
अगर जरूरी ना होता तो मैं बोलता ही नहीं।
पता नहीं तू क्या करता है, पता नहीं। आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट बिलीव कि ही इज अलाइव। मतलब मुझे देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु टेल मी, जब मैं उनकी बात सुनती हूँ मैं बोलती हूँ हाँ राइट राइट जिंदा है। फिर कोई कुछ और बोलता है, अरे मैं बोलती हूँ नहीं नहीं नहीं, जिंदा हो ही नहीं सकता। मेरे को ऐसे वो मुश्किल में डाल दिया है, क्योंकि देयर आर सो मेनी क्लूज एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच शीना आल्सो कीप्स पुटिंग अप एंड पार्थ आल्सो कीप्स सेंडिंग मी, एंड I'm like, yes, it really makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. It does have logic. But then after seeing his dead body, it becomes very difficult. And don't keep saying that again and again, Vibhor, क्योंकि लोग उम्मीद लगा के बैठेंगे कि उनको वो दिखेगा, और वो जब तक दिख नहीं जाता तब तक तू प्लीज मत बोल दोबारा कि वो जिंदा है।
तो तुम ही पूछते हो, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा।
तो तूने क्यों
तुम
बोला उसके
एक्चुअली
बर्थडे
बुलवा
पे क्यों बोला?
क्या?
मैं उससे मिलके आया, दोबारा बोला तूने हैप्पी
मैंने ये नहीं
बर्थडे?
बोला मैं उससे मिल गया।
तूने क्या बोला? हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्रो, गुड टू सी यू अगेन। मतलब लोगों
हाँ
को
तो
पागल बना रहा है, तो क्या कर रहा है?
यार देखो, जो समझदार लोग हैं वो समझ जाते हैं मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ।
हाँ मैं नहीं समझी, चल मैं समझदार नहीं हूँ, बता आप किससे मिलके आया था तू?
कुछ बातें पर्दे में है, पर्दे में रहना, पर्दा मत उठाओ।
बोल बोल।
जब पर्दा
Everything
उठने
has
का
a
टाइम
time. Everything has its own
यस यस
time, Jenny. I think you know
यस,
it.
लेट द राइट टाइम कम एंड द
हाँ,
ट्रुथ वुड बी आउट।
and one more point I'll just add what Guruji used to tell. काल के नियम से आगे मत जाना या पहले मत जाना। काल के इसमें से इवन राम भी नहीं गया था। अगर वो अयोध्या से तीर मारे तो लंका में मर जा सकता था रावण। क्यों इतना दिन वेट करना पड़ा उसको? He wanted to show that being a human being, still he can win over the evil.
एब्सोल्युटली यही
he
महाभारत में, यही गीता में कृष्ण ने कहा कि चाहता जिस दिन अपना सुदर्शन चलाऊंगा उस दिन महाभारत खत्म हो जाती, लेकिन सुदर्शन चलाना उनका काम नहीं था।
मेरे को एक
उनका
बात
काम
बता।
था रास्ता दिखाना।
हाँ ठीक है, बट तू हमेशा कहता है ना कि तेरे को योर मतलब एजेंसी के लोगों से तेरी जान पहचान है, या यू वर्क फॉर देम। आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज, व्हिच वन इट इज, बट डू you have any idea what is happening with this case? Why is the CBI quiet? What is going to be? When is it going to be? Do you have any idea?
यार देखो, कुछ चीजें ना मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग। अब मेरे हाथ में होती, अगर मैं सीबीआई डायरेक्टर भी होता तो भी मेरे हाथ में नहीं होती। कुछ डिसीजन ऐसे होते हैं जो सीधा टॉप से आते हैं। जब टॉप से अप्रूवल होगा तो सामने आ जाएगा। तो इस पूरी गेम में हम सब लोग एक प्यादे हैं। मैं खुद एक अपने आप को प्यादा मानता हूँ। और जब रानी या राजा का हुक्म आएगा तो हमें बढ़ना होगा।
तो जस्टिस मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, कब मिलेगी? इतना सिंपल सा सवाल का जवाब दे दे।
जस्टिस मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, कैसे मिलेगी, कब मिलेगी, कहाँ से मिलेगी, ये सब टाइम पे छोड़ दो। यू ऑलवेज से गिनी हमेशा कहते हो, मुझे कितना समझाती हो कि कुछ चीजें टाइम पे छोड़ दिया अगर। और बहुत सारे लोगों का सवाल आ रहा है कि गिनी से पूछो मेरी शादी कब हो रही है, बता दे।
कहाँ आ रहा है सवाल?
अरे मेरे को बोलते हैं यार गिनी मैम, अरे मेरे को तो पूछते हैं ना कि शादी कब हो रही, मैं तेरे से पूछ लेता हूँ कि मेरी शादी कब हो रही है, बता दे।
लड़की तो ढूंढ ले पहले। एक लड़की थी वो गई, दूसरी आई वो गई, अब कोई तीसरी है?
नहीं अभी कोई नहीं है, अभी तो मैं सिंगल हूँ, अवेलेबल हूँ।
अरे विभोर ऐसा पूछना, बड़े लोग आप है तो मुझे क्यों ढूंढना, आप ढूंढ के मुझे शादी करवा दीजिए बोल के।
एक लड़की
ये
है
देखो
मेरे
ना,
ध्यान में तेरे लिए, एक लड़की है मेरे ध्यान में तेरे लिए, बोलती हूँ, कल बताती हूँ। तू बॉम्बे आ रहा है ना, तू बोल रहा था ना उस दिन के मैं 2-4 दिन में आ रहा हूँ, तू आ जा, जब तू आएगा मैं तेरे को मिला दूंगी।
डन।
लेकिन जब आएगा तो बस सीधा शादी करके उठा के ले जाना उसको।
Nice speaking to both of you. My son is waiting for.
Yeah.
And
Please
please, Vibhor, you know, I know, I think we all know that, you know, you have your own compulsions and impulsiveness. आप टाइम को और शनि महादेव को बहुत ये करते हैं. So tread the path so carefully that, you know, you don't give up very faster because we want your service longer time. तरह जल्दी हम आपको छोड़ के भागने के लिए मैम हम नहीं छोड़ने वाले हैं. Even you Guinea, I sorry, Ginny or Guinea? I think I spell it. Guinea. Okay. Everyone, I mean, I want everyone to be happy and doing good. So whoever does the mistake, let them get the punishment. That's all. Okay, please take care, Vibhor.
All right.
Thanks for
you.
letting me in.
Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Bye.
Om
Bye.
Shri Namah. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. So, और बताओ विभोर, तुम्हारा ऑफिस का रेनोवेशन हो चुका था, तुम अक्षत मोचन का शुरू करने वाले थे, वो कब कर रहे हो?
यार देखो मैं बताता हूँ, मैं अभी दिल्ली में नहीं हूँ ऑनेस्टली. मैं अपने जो मेरा ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा था, मैंने आपको बताया भी था कि उसमें मेरा काम चल रहा है एंड आई एम गेटिंग माई सेल्फ हील्ड अप प्रीटी फास्ट. लेकिन बैकग्राउंड में बहुत सारा काम हो चुका है, स्टूडियो बन के पूरा तैयार हो चुका है. मैं बहुत जल्दी पिक्चर्स भी शेयर करूंगा जैसे ही मैं दिल्ली पहुंचूंगा थोड़े दिनों के अंदर. पिछले 1.5 महीने से यू कैन सी मी, अ लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस हैव हैपेंड.
2 महीने हो गए.
हाँ, तो
फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जैन में गया था तू?
हाँ, मैं 1 जैन को पहुंच गया था यहाँ पे जहाँ पे मैं आया हूँ. और for the last 1.5 months I've been heavily concentrating on my health and body so that I can heal much faster.
I'm glad.
So finally, thank God, with God's grace, everything. कुछ चीजें सामने आई थी. A lot of people have helped me out getting out of the trauma and everything that was happening with me. कुछ लोगों का कहना भी था कि मॉम ने भी दिखवाया था लोगों को. अब हमारे संस्कृति में इन चीजों को बहुत मानते हैं. I also believe in that there was a possibility of a big very bad black magic on me. तो वो भी मेरे को अफेक्ट कर रहा था एंड थैंकफुली पूजा करवाई मम्मी ने. एंड
यहाँ पर ये विधि मुखीजा बोल रही है इतना प्यार करती है तुझसे, लव यू विभोर, तू उससे मिल के देख ले. मतलब
मेरा नंबर है, ओह गॉड, ऐसा है, मेरा नंबर शेयर कर देना उसको, मैं बात कर लूंगा. ठीक है. हाय विधि, थैंक यू. Hi Vidhi, thank you so much for your love and care and concern. Please do call me or please do message me. My number is public and we'll talk.
Vibha, can you please put on your video? I cannot see you. Vibha, hi.
Yeah, hi.
How are you?
Vibhor.
Hi Vibha, how are you?
I'm fine. So, do I need to ask a question first, or I just got pulled into the stream, so I'm still not sure what's the context. Sorry, I joined late.
No, we're just generally chit-chatting here, and we're talking to Vibhor. Vijay was here, Saffron was here, so we were just having a casual chit-chat.
Okay, no, Vibhor, I have been
if you have a question for Vibhor, you can always ask him.
Yeah, so I do have a question. I just wanted to ask what exactly is... Yeah, okay.
He has network problem, So maybe it got logged off, but he'll come back. You continue.
Okay. Now my question is, I was just following all these concerns about give me 1 second, about the whole child trafficking and the whole messages that have been published on Vibhu's Twitter. But how is this all? Do you see this getting more closer to solving SSR case, or is it something which is just getting published to silence some of the people or divert the case? So what exactly is happening now?
Vibhor, answer. वो पूछ रही है कि ये जो ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग के बारे में ट्वीट्स होते हैं या इंफॉर्मेशन जो लीक होती है, आर यू देयर विभोर, और आर यू फ्रोजन? हेलो विभोर, हेलो, आई कांट हियर यू, आर यू देयर? हेलो विभोर, आर यू देयर? No, I think his network is bad. So what he was saying, I asked him that question. I asked him, when is the justice going to happen? When do you think justice is going to happen, or is it going to happen? What is the CBI doing about it? What are the agencies doing about it? But he said that with time you'll come to know. I mean, he does not have the authority to actually speak about it. So that's what he said.
Okay.
So he is having network issues, and I am tired now and I'm in pain. It's been a really, really long video. I think I really need to go. Do you have any other question?
No, that's it.
Okay. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye. Vibhor, I'm removing you also, and I am going to end this video because I am tired. हद कर लेनी थी तुमसे. Okay. So Vibhor, people are sending you love you messages. Please check the comments and message them. And goodbye, everyone. Take care. Good night. Have fun. And I will come back with the live very soon.